Okay, guys, yesterday we had a beautiful trading activities within the Telegram channel, and I'm really happy we were able to achieve that. And that has been on like that for some days now, back to back winning trades. Okay, so I'm really happy that we were able to achieve this. Okay, so many people have been asking me questions how I've been able to achieve all these. Okay, we will be checking this out right here in this video and see how you too can generate signals on your own trading, profitable trading signals on your own. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family? Okay, and of course, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, I will be there to reply. So quickly, let's see how we have been doing it, and I will be using a live chart to do my analysis so that you will understand how I go about it. Okay, first of all, if you have been following up with my videos, you will notice that I have been using the trend trading strategy, which has actually been helping me out to make more within this platform. Okay, so first of all, if you understand how the trend works, you will know that okay, even if an asset is on a particular trend, it does not mean it will just be going straight in that direction. There are some times that we will still have smooth movements like we had around here, which is an uptrend. This actually gave us a smooth movement around here from here to here. The pullbacks were not really that serious, okay? But there are instances whereby we'll be having major pullbacks like we are having around here also. Okay, so this is very, very important. So once you understand this, then you will understand what the market is giving to us. And it is also important for you to know where the market is heading to right from the beginning. Okay, so this is very, very important. At least it will give you an idea of what you should do at that particular time. This is GainX 1200 and I will be on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so like I have always been telling you, if you have a way to know when the trend is changing or when it is about to change, then you are most likely to mill the market right from there. So the trend trading strategy simply means if the market is on uptrend, just buy at that particular point. If it is on downtrend, make sure you are only selling at that particular point. So you can see it is very simple, but as simple as it may sound, okay, it is also important for you to know when the market is changing from uptrend to downtrend or from downtrend to uptrend. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, so in this situation, the uptrend started from this support region, and of course, it bought for a very long time. So the downtrend will also start from the resistance zone, and it will sell at that particular point. Okay. So if you should notice, the downtrend switched. Okay. If you the setup I'm having on the chart right now is a custom-made indicator called 3M trend milker indicator. It helps us to know when the trend is switching also. So you can use that, or probably you use normal basic analysis to know when the market is changing. Okay, and of course, guys, this actually got to this resistance zone and it has not been able to break out from there. So all you just need to do is just for you to wait for the switching. Okay, so this switch from an uptrend into a downtrend at this point then gave us a sell signal, which is the red arrow. So naturally, what you should have done is you place a stop loss around here, and of course, get your entry point around here, where you add your sell arrow, and you sell at that particular point, and this will have given you a lot of profit right now. So just like you guys have known, okay, there will always be pullback. For instance, let me cite an example. Okay, at this point we add a break of structure at this point, we add it at this point. Okay, we also add it at this point. Okay, when the market was on uptrend, but right now the market is now on downtrend. Okay, so this is break of structure for us. Okay, just the way we are saying it, break of structure has actually happened around here. So most of you might want to jump into a buy signal around there. No, it's not a buy signal because this is on downtrend. Okay, the only way it can change into a buy signal is when this is broken, when it's changed the character at this point. Okay, when this is broken, when this goes up and broke out from here, at that point that's changed the character. Okay, so and that is only reason for you to say it is going to buy at that point. Okay, but for now it is still on downtrend. Okay, it is not on uptrend, it is only pulling back. Once it is done with the pullback, then it will try to come down and break the structure again. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is still selling. Okay, so this is very, very important. If you have not gotten into the trade, you can wait for the sell signal to pop out around there. Then you set your stop loss and set your entry point and go into it and trade. Okay, so this is very, very important. Once you understand some of these things, you will always get it right. Okay, this is very, very important. Let's move on. That was Ganex 1200. This is now Ganex 999. Okay, this actually went on uptrend yesterday after getting to this support region and got to this region. Okay, so it has not been able to break out from here. See, it got there and was unable to break out from there, gave us this M vibes, went back up again, and this is still coming down, and it will get to this region first. Once it breaks out from here, we have a lot of profits to milk from here. Okay, so it will come down, may likely come down till it gets to this particular spot. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is still selling at the moment, so don't dull yourself on Ganex 999. Now let's check out Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. Like I said, trend trading strategy is actually sweet. At this point, it gave us an uptrend signal and a buy signal. Like I said, on uptrend only follow the buy signal, and of course you can see this resistance zone, and it was unable to break out from there. So right from there, it started a downtrend. You can see it switching. My indicator also switched from an uptrend signal into a downtrend signal, and of course gave us a sell signal. So all you just need to do is just to follow sell signal. Like I said, there will always be pullback, which will actually leads to break of structures. Okay, just the way we are seeing it right here, break of structure. And of course here is another one and another one here, and the last one is about to happen also. So this is still selling at the moment. Okay, just the way we are seeing it. Okay, so you guys should take advantage of the market right from there. Okay, now let's move on to Paynex 999. The last one we analyzed happened to be Paynex 1200. So this is Paynex 999, and of course, this actually it was an uptrend before, just the way we have seen it, but got to this resistance, it was unable to break up from there. I actually put out a signal on this particular trade. I think 2 days ago. It took about 2 days to achieve all the TPs. This is the second TP. This is because it is having a major pullback in between. Okay, just the way we have seen it. Okay, it's achieved the third TP. The first TP at this point, and this happened to be the second TP. Okay, so that is dusted and it is successful already. So that is why I always tell you, if you understand the trend trading strategy, you will be able to come in at the right time and milk the market for a very long time. You might not even need to set up your trade on daily basis. Once you get the signal can go for days. So far you are in profit, and it does not take you out of the market by striking your stop loss, then you are good. You will always be in profit till the end of the trend. Okay, so that is it. Now let's check out our FX volume 80. Finally, FX volume 80 got to this resistance zone and was unable to go above that down late yesterday. And of course, it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend. Just like I have said, if you are take note, gotten this at the right time, you put your stop loss there, set your entry point at this point where we had our sell order, and check it out. It has been selling. This will have given you a lot of profit, break of structure, and another break of structure, and we are most likely for us to get another break of structure around there. If this should come down below this, and that will have been so beautiful at the end of the day. You can see you will always make the market if you understand the trend trading strategy. Okay, so for FX volume 8, it is still selling. Okay, and of course, let's check out FX volume 20. This is FX volume 20. And of course, still on 15 minutes time frame, this actually got to the support zone at this point and was unable to go below this. So it started an uptrend, and as you can see, it is still buying till now, although it has gotten to this resistance zone. If you should notice at this point, it got to the resistance zone, and that is what led to this downtrend. So it has gotten there again. If it is finding it difficult to break out above this resistance zone, then we are most likely for us to experience a downtrend right from there. So we should watch out for that. So guys, I will be stopping right here. In case you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And do not forget to join the Telegram channel, because right there I will be dropping my free signals here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God